a single prompt in Google Gemini. That's all it took to create this technical isometric infographics with Nano Banana's latest update. The results speak for themselves. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, decide what object you want to make into an infographic. You can keep it generic like TV or go for something specific like the TV's model. In a new chat, activate Nano Banana 2 by clicking Tools and then Create Images. Make sure to enable Pro or Thinking Model. Then paste the prompt shown on your screen and swap what's in brackets with the device you wish to turn into an isometric infographic. I'll ask it to make an espresso coffee machine. Alright, let's click Submit and wait until the generation process is over. And there it is, check it out. We got a photorealistic render in the middle, the key internal components color-coded, the device's dimensions, and even a diagram showing how it actually works. Pretty impressive, right? And if you wish to download your isometric infographic, just click the download button at the top right. You can find the prompt in the pinned comment below, as well as its original source. You can essentially have it visualize whatever you like. For example, if you are a teacher, you can ask it to make scientific devices like this internal combustion engine, or have some fun and tell it to make imaginary crafts such as this magical broomstick. And in case you're wondering, yeah, the prompt works fine in ChatGPT. I think the output is pretty decent, but honestly, I prefer Gemini's outputs. But what about you? What's your opinion? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and here's something wild. You can now feed these infographics into Gemini and ask it to create music from them. Sounds crazy? I thought so too. I break it all down in the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you.